Okay, guys. So we're going to open some of these packs.
Yeah, so these are from 2021, Lamelo's rookie year, I do believe. So these used to be hot packs. Very hard to get. All right.
I want this one.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
Lamelo and Ant-Man. I'll take my chances.
The Chronicles?
Yeah.
All right. Well, open it because...
Yeah. Back when cards were hard to get, I think I did an auction to get these. That's why there's stickers on them.
Alrighty.
So she just opened up a $75 pack, guys.
Really? That
just
little
joking.
thing? Oh. Cole Anthony and Kyle Lowry.
Mr. Kyle Lowry.
All right.
Silver.
Your turn.
All right. We'll do this. Like I said, we're looking for Ant-Man rookie auto, or we're looking for Lamelo Ball rookie auto. Yeah. We got, oh, did I get something? All right. Delano. We got Primo, Joshua. We got Trey's. Wait, what year is that? We got Isaiah Todd. I don't know why And we got Ayo, Pink Ayo, Giddy. Is this Trey? Herbert? That's Herbert. We got a Giddy. All right. That's it.
All right.
Not fun.
Here.
All right.
So what is this one? Mosaic?
Yeah.
Okay. Donovan Mitchell.
Yep. De'Aaron. Hakeem the Dream. Ooh.
The same.
Yeah.
Look.
Nice. Little mosaic green.
All right.
Flip it over.
Nothing. Just prism.
Yeah, prism green.
Those probably exclusive, yeah? The green one. Well, we'll see if you get a green one.
All right. We got a little PJ. Is our green different? Nope.
No, so there we're probably...
PJ, Norman. See? Anthony Edwards, rookie. Like, can you guys believe this card was like $100 at one point in time for like a short minute? And John Wall green. But it's probably like $2 now. Well, that was fun. So we were in those packs. Like, the reason why they're individual packs is because you had a chance, obviously, to get like Lamelo and Ant-Man rookies. So in color and green, they were going for crazy amounts at the time. But
yeah,
it's the hobby.
All right, guys.
Like,
subscribe,
follow.